大家好, Assalamu alaikum. This is KHADIJA here. Welcome to another lesson of Chinese language. In this video lesson, we are going to learn how to make question words in Chinese language. Before we start, I want to remind you to subscribe my YouTube channel by just clicking the subscribe button below down there. Now we're gonna start this lesson. Let's start with yes or no question word in Chinese. The word you need to know is ma. Ma is used for the yes or no question word we use at the end of the sentences. For example, if you want to ask a person like, are you a Chinese? You can just say like, 你是中国人吗? 你是中国人吗? Ni means you. 是 is used for is MR. 中国 means China. 人 means people. 中国人 Chinese people. Ma is used for the yes or no question we use at the end of the sentences. 你是中国人吗? Are you a Chinese? 你是中国人吗? You can just answer this like, I am Chinese. 我是中国人. 我是中国人. 我 means I. 中国人 means Chinese. 我是中国人. Another example of ma is, are you busy? 你忙吗? 你忙吗? Ni means you. 忙 means busy. 你忙吗? Are you busy? Yes, I'm very busy. 我很忙. 我很忙. 我 means I. 很 means very. 忙 means busy. 我很忙. I'm very busy. Now we are gonna learn WH questions in Chinese. So let's start with what. How to say what in Chinese? It's 什么? 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 That means is what. What is your name? 你叫什么名字? 你叫什么名字? Ni means you. 叫 means to call. 什么 means what. 名字 means name. 你叫什么名字? 你叫什么名字? What is your name? What do you want to eat? 你想吃什么? 你想吃什么? 想 means to want. 吃 means to eat. 你想吃什么? What do you want to eat? The next one is who. In Chinese we say 谁. 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 That means is who. Who are you? 你是谁? 你是谁? Ni means you. 是 is used for is MR. 谁 means who. 你是谁? 你是谁? Who are you? Who do you love? 你爱谁? 你爱谁? I means love. 你爱谁? Who do you love? This one is where. 在哪里? 在哪里? That means is where. 在哪里? Where do you live? 你住在哪里? 你住在哪里? Ni means you. 住 means to live somewhere. 在哪里? That means is where. 你住在哪里? Another example is, where's my cat? 我的猫在哪里? 我 means I. The is a possessive particle word. 我的 that means is mine, my. 我的猫 猫 means cat. 我的猫 my cat. 我的猫在哪里? Where's my cat? 我的猫在哪里? Where is my cat? Oh, the last one is why. How to say why in Chinese? It's 为什么? Wei is just pronounced like why. Shenma means, we just learned that. Shenma means what. 为什么? Together that means is why. 为什么? 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 Why? Why are you late? 你为什么迟到? 你为什么迟到? 迟到 means late. 你为什么迟到? Why are you crying? 你为什么哭? 你为什么哭? 哭 means crying. 你为什么哭? Alright, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, so you should subscribe now for more Chinese lesson. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz. 再见。